To add 24 megapixels resolution to your camera in Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, as you can see right here, if I open my camera in standard photo mode, I have 50 and 12 megapixels. To add 24 megapixels, first we'll need to click on those four dots and open settings for the camera. Now next step is to scroll all the way down and click on Camera Assistant. If you do it for the first time, it will open a Galaxy Store where you need to download this plugin. After it's ready, open Camera Assistant again and then scroll down until we find Advanced Resolution options. Then you can activate 24 megapixels resolution, and you can also enable Keep 24 megapixels resolution, which will stay at 24 megapixels resolution after you close the camera instead of switching to default 12 megapixels. So now when we have that ready, we can go back to our camera photo mode and then switch to 24 right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.